In this video, we are going to see a quick example on how you can fix the WhatsApp application if it keeps on crashing. So I'm assuming that you have downloaded and installed this from Microsoft Store. If not, you can just remove the existing version of it. Just go to the control panel, because in my case, I have also downloaded it externally. Let's click on WhatsApp, or otherwise just right click on the applications directly. If you're unable to see anything on the control panel, just open the start menu and you will get this application. Click on uninstall, click on uninstall. Let's go to Microsoft Store. It will be pinned 80% of the times in the start menu right here. So once we have this open, just try to search for WhatsApp. Now, depending on the version that you want to install, you can just click open and click on install. And as we can see, it is downloaded. Let's click on open, and now it's working. But if it still keeps on crashing, what you can do is just go to the downloads and we can check for updates or update them all. If we just click on manage by Microsoft Store, you will get all these applications. So just check for the updates, install any kind of updates or update them all. And after that, just try to restart your PC and that should work. But if you're still having problem, what you can do is just open up the start menu and let's write apps and features. In some, you will get only installed apps option. And as we can see, we have the installed apps option and just right here, WhatsApp, and we have the WhatsApp here. And just click on these three dots and click on uninstall to uninstall this. Uninstall. You can also do it simply from the start menu as well. After that, just go to Microsoft Store, because sometimes the update doesn't do the same thing as just completely deleting and starting it fresh. So let's write WhatsApp. Because everything is backed up on WhatsApp phone, so you won't have to worry about this, but still you can take the backup again just to confirm that nothing is lost. Click on install, and we have installed this software once again. Click on open, and now it should work. So any one of the option might be a quick fix for you. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.